Hello everyone, welcome to Trade. Today we're going to be seeing the Nifty and Banknifty levels for tomorrow, Wednesday, June 1st, first day of the June month. So I'm just, this is not a recorded video, this is just a light video. I was a little busy, I was not able to record and upload. So doing this live saves my time in editing and uploading. So just thought I'll do a live video today as I was busy. See, first we'll just look at the global markets. See, in the morning when our markets was in play, the Dow Jones had slipped heavily. It was showing minus 300, but it has recovered now. Let me see if I can open the chart. That's the reason in the fag end of the market, our market also slipped heavily. See, this is the Dow Jones chart. The US market was down all along in the afternoon and has recovered a little bit now. We'll have to see how this closes. See, as of now, because of the world market that is being in red, SGX Nifty is indicating a minus 78 points. It was about 100 or so, and now it has come to minus 78. So we could be expecting another gap down tomorrow. See, these are the levels that are marked for our intraday levels for tomorrow. That is first. Let me just show the kind of trades that happened today. See, the moment we got this gap down, right, I was pretty sure that we are going to get a pullback until CPR. That confirmation came. I'm just shifting to a 5-minute chart. See, that confirmation came when we broke this S1. This is what I updated even in our CosmoFeed group, and we got this nice move on the upside. We could have entered based on this price action itself. That is, I'm talking about these three candles. It is a nice bullish candle rejecting on the downside, but since there was no any pivot level, and if I put on the moving averages, the 200 EMA, this pink line is the 200 EMA. We were very close. So if we had entered here, there was a possibility of even coming and touching the 200 EMA. So that's why I refrained from entering here and entered over here and caught this move and then did a little bit of scalping here. See, throughout the day when we went and hit CPR, right, thrice we came near the CPR level but was not able to take it out. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Thrice we came close to the CPR but was not able to take it out. That's the beauty of how the CPR creates resistance. See, and when this move happened, right, when it looked like we are almost going to break this S1 of daily CPR and reversed. So by 2:45, like when in this move, right, this is when I'd kind of assumed that, like not assume, like what I thought, that the market will end within this level and we are not going to break this. If this level had broken, right, the daily S1, that is 35,689, then definitely I would have taken a shot. But this move came at about 3 o'clock, pretty late in the market, right? In half an hour, see how much the one day that when you wrap up early, you get a fall of 400 points. This was a beautiful fall, but we failed to capture it because we kind of closed at about 3 o'clock and the move came in the last half an hour. Now, just looking at the levels for tomorrow on the 15-minute chart. See, after this fall, right, again we came and took, there's a small gap over here, right, that is between 35,230 and 35,280. So we kind of came and we have taken support here. So if this level breaks tomorrow, that is 35,230, we could see a slip until 34,982 or even until 34,777. So if this level breaks, yeah, we could see a slip until here. And just looking at the CPR levels, see, even this is the tomorrow CPR where we have the previous day low and S1. So if this breaks, right, we could see these touching these levels. And if SGX Nifty remains like this, like again, we might end up getting a gap down, pretty big one, say about 70 points, means we'll end up getting a gap down about 200 or 300 points. We might open somewhere over here. So at this point, right, it'll be very crucial for us. We'll have to see how the price react. There could be a quick reversal until CPR, like how we got today, or if this breaks, see, once this level breaks, always wait for a retest and then probably we can short until this lower levels. That's our plan. And buying Bank Nifty is, we can make use of this trend line. It kind of worked even today. We can set it properly. See, since we have the CPR over here, right? Tomorrow CPR, the previous day low and S1, right where this gap is. If we get a strong, like a strong bullish candle or a bullish pattern, like how in 15 minutes today we got this nice bullish candle, right? Something like that. If we get right over here, yeah, definitely we can buy with first level as 35,500 and second level is this trend line. This trend line can probably help us tomorrow. So in case we buy at this level, the first target is CPR and this, and for some reason say we end up getting a gap up. See, as of now it is showing gap down, right? If we end up getting a gap up somewhere in this region, the best buy is if this trend line breaks, the black trend line breaks, we might face some resistance at this level, that is 35,800, and even if this is taken out, yeah, probably we might hit 36,000. So these are the levels that we will be using for tomorrow in Bank Nifty. This is the Nifty 15-minute chart. See, today even Nifty had a nice move and again sell off in the last hour. But it's pretty evident that the Nifty is moving in this, so much is the, like the shaded part between 16,690 and the support is at 16,500, right? It's pretty clear. It's pretty huge, about 100 points. So definitely over here tomorrow with a gap down, if we get a nice bullish candle, we can buy at this level. But if this level breaks, we could fall until 16,400 and the second target would be 16,360. Now why this target is, see, previously over here, when these times when we had this line marked, how many times we have taken resistance here? Almost like 3 days. So when the price, if we enter this gap, right, there's a big gap pending in Nifty. So when we enter this gap, this can be a good place to book profit. That is 16,400. Some bounce will come here based on the previous price action. And even if this level breaks, then yeah, this is just a small target, but we might even end up hitting 16,367. See, breaking out of 16,600 looks difficult for now, but in case we break out, because again the FIs are selling and any bounce is being sold heavily, the next target can be around 16,750. So tomorrow the best trade in Nifty is, see, once we get a gap down, right, around this point, see if we are breaking this comfortably, then we can short until 16,400, or if we start moving higher, then definitely the first target will be 16,696. So that's it for Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Let's see how it goes, and any other intraday moves I'll keep updating in our Cosmo Feed group. Thank you.